dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
I mean the 2024 governorship election in Edo State. Some leaders in Edo State have said that Asue Ighodalo is a beacon of hope for Edo State. Alright, my wonderful people, before I could bring the full gist to now, I would like to welcome you especially to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, as we're giving a back-to-back update and information as they hot. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining. So guys, let's proceed. In the heart of Edo State, where tradition intertwines with modernity, a political figure has emerged, capturing the hearts and the mind of many. Asue Ighodalo, a name synonymous with integrity, compassion, and visionary leadership, has positioned him as a beacon of hope for Edo State. With his unwavering commitment with the welfare of his people, Ighodalo has become a formidable force in the political landscape as the state for the 2024 governorship election draws closer. Ighodalo is unarguably the best man to succeed Governor Godwin Obaseki, according to many. They said he has no doubt contributed to the success story of the state in the past 60 years. The candidate of People Democratic Party in the September 25th election, known for his expertise in corporate law, finance and investment banking, is also a boardroom titan. His boardroom and work experience clearly shows that when allowed to govern Edo State, that he won't be a liability to the South state, but he would focus on how to bring his global and national connection to help boost activities in Edo State and add value to the Commonwealth of Edo State. They say Ighodalo is the co-founder of Bawo, and Ighodalo, one of the foremost corporate and commercial law firm in Nigeria, with 15 partners and over 100 lawyers. That he obtained his first degree in economics from the University of Ibadan, a law degree from the London School of Economics and Political Science, and he was admitted into the Nigeria Bar in July 1985. His core areas of practice are corporate and project finance, security and capital markets, energy and natural resources, and mergers and acquisitions. So Ighodalo is a member of the Nigeria Bar Association. He was once the past chairman of the section on business law 2014 to 2016. Ighodalo was the chairman board of directors of Sterling Bank PLC, Nigeria Breweries PLC, Levina Energy Group Limited, Edo State Investment Summit, and so many other ones. He also sat on the board of Main Street Technologies Limited, the Cardinal Stone Partner, Okomo Oil Palm Oil PLC, Christopher Kalode Foundation, Both and Co., Insurance Brokers Healthcare Federation of Nigeria. So he has been in so many other companies. He's the immediate past chairman of the Nigeria Economic Summit Group, and he also served on the board of the Nigeria Sovereign Investment Authority from May 2017 to 2021, and he was the chairman of Dangote Fuel PLC. Ighodalo has been consistently ranked as a Taiwan or leading lawyer in all the areas of practice by the leading international legal directories. So he stepped out by himself to run for an election as a candidate of PDP, driven by his desire to make positive impact on the lives of Edo people. And that is how it has been from day one. He first stepped out as an aspirant. I follow me small matter. PDP candidates recanted the arduous process of campaigning across the states, meeting with seniors and junior politicians, as well as ordinary citizens, to garner support for his candidacy. Asue Ighodalo demonstrated his commitment to grassroots engagement and his ability to build coalition. He promised to ensure the security and safety of life and properties in Edo State through his manifesto, The Pathway to Prosperity for All. Asue Ighodalo also said that his government will continue the infrastructure drive of Governor Godwin Obaseki administration. So he pledged to give incentive to farmers and scholarship to students in Edo State. He bemoaned the economic situation in the country, adding that Governor Godwin Obaseki had been trying to shield the Edo people from the harsh situation created by the federal government, that they are ready to continue where the governor stopped. So he will take Edo to the next level, that if a man wants to build a house, he has to start from the foundation. That Governor Godwin Obaseki has started the foundation, and they will continue from where he stopped. He said the work that has been done for the past 8 years will soon begin to show. So by the next 1 year, they will begin to miss the governor. But Osarodo said that he will do his best to maintain his good works, that they all know the suffering on the ground and the problem in Nigeria. If the people can remember that the APC said something in Abuja in January and their life has gone down since then, but the governor has been trying to shield them from the harsh condition created by the APC, and that is what Osarodo said he's going to continue with. Osarodo said that before they can leave their house by 2 a.m., but it became impossible due to insecurity until when Governor Godwin Obaseki came and stopped it. Now they can go out and do their business, but that is what they are going to continue to improve on. Edo State, the PDP candidate said that if voted to power, that his government would ensure that Edo State was monitored from the situation, adding that his government will sustain and improve the Edo best. They said that the work that has been done in agriculture, that they are going to continue from there. So they will give incentive to cassava farmers and oil palm producers, that Edo has been the number one in oil palm since Governor Godwin Obaseki came into power. That Governor Godwin Obaseki also made it clear that his choice for the position of governor of Edo State after him can anchor the relay race successfully to victory. So he said he had known Asue Ighodalo for 40 years from his university days. He said that Asue Ighodalo joined the race because of his love and compassion for Edo State, and not that he was looking for money or fame or name. That Asue Ighodalo has all that. Obaseki further vouched that he won't disappoint them. That same with Osarodo, that when he came into government, their first budget was less than 100 billion, but they moved it to 450 billion. That Asue Ighodalo and Osarodo will move it to 1 trillion to have enough money to do projects. He then encouraged all PDP members to canvass support for Asue Ighodalo and Osarodo, that they should also come out in mass on election day and vote for PDP. A chieftain of the party in the state, Chief Tom Ikemi, and other notable sons of Edo State have also thrown their support behind Ighodalo. Similarly, the Edo State youth movement, just like several other groups in and outside the state, have also thrown in their weight behind the dynamic duo of Ighodalo and his deputy governor, Osarodo. During the PDP local government gubernatorial campaign rally in East and South East local government area, the movement comprises vibrant and forward-thinking young people. They pledge to mobilize and support the candidates of PDP, citing their exceptional capacity, character, and competence as the catalyst for their endorsement. They say with their capacity, character, and competence resonating deeply with the youth, that Asue Ighodalo Osarodo has emerged as the clear choice for the brighter future of Edo State. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying. Cheers.